the 2019 GMC Yukon XL. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and a blind spot monitoring system. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.